Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be a super easy video, short. I'm gonna show you how to replace the cabin air filter. It's located here inside your glove box. And this is gonna be on the 2017 Mazda CX-5. This will also apply to the, I believe the 13, the 14s, 15s, and 16s. Should apply for the 18s as well. But first thing you're gonna do is open it up. You're gonna make sure you get everything out of here, because as soon as we start doing this, everything's gonna fall out once we let it drop. Right here on the side, you're gonna have this little, basically just holds the glove box from falling all the way down. It's just a support, and just make sure that it falls down slowly. You're just gonna get your finger behind it. You're gonna pop it just like that. And then right here with both hands, you're just gonna press on the insides of this so that these, the posts here on the side, clear the side of the glove box of the vehicle, the dash. Once that clears it, then you can pull it out, just let it hang. And from there, this is going to be your cabin air filter. And if you look at the notation on the plastic here, it'll actually have an arrow facing downward. And that's just for the airflow, but you want to make sure that when you put the new one in, you get it in the same direction. But what you're going to do is there's a little tab right here where my thumb is, and you're just going to push up on that, and at the same time you're pushing up, you're going to pull it out. Very simple. So we got our new air filter here. Maybe you guys can see that. That's a big difference. We got 35,000 miles on the car. Big difference. So, but we live in the desert. There's a lot of dirt around here, so it's going to make a difference as well. Now on the new one, if you bought a aftermarket filter, there is no notation on it for the direction of airflow. But again, you do want to make sure that you get it in the right direction. So what you can do is put them side by side, and you'll notice here, put them side by side, and on here it'll have the direction airflow pointing downward towards the clip here that holds the filter in place. So what you could do is on the new one, even though it doesn't have that, you look at it and you have the clip here and it's facing downward in the same direction that that one was. So this is the way that we're going to place it in. All right, so now that we got that out of the way, just going to come in here, going to slide this in just like that, and just press it in until you hear it click and it's held in place. And once you got that, then you are all done. Then all you're going to do is go ahead and bring your glove box back up. You're going to press on the insides, let it go back up. You're going to come back over here to your little arm here, and you're going to pull it down, get it back right over those little tabs, and you'll hear it click back into place. And that's it. Put all your stuff back in and you're all done. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps you out. Have a good one.